Hello everyone, thank you for watching. In this video what we're going to see is how to create the searchable table. If you want some content of your table to be searched, what you have to do is you can see if I want to search the name, which is the first one, ALF. You can see the name. You can see we have two columns. The first one is name, the second one is country. When I type third one, you can see this is working exactly fine. This is possible only with the help of JavaScript. Let me show you what I have done with some simple CSS and JavaScript. You will get this effect. Before that, let me show you the HTML. We have one input tag which is text, and this text will have a function. On key up, this function will get executed, and we have a table with id my table, and input tag will have the id my input, and we'll remove the script. I will create it from scratch, and so as the CSS will do it from scratch. Refresh it, and this is how the plain HTML looks like. Let me zoom in a little bit. Control plus. This is what I'm pressing right now. Now choose the input and give the width to 100%, and so as a table, give the width of the table as 100%. Refresh it, and yes, it works exactly fine. And yes, it is working exactly fine. Now it's time for the table. Give the padding of the table. I need the padding on the TR. Top and bottom 10 pixel, left and right 10 pixel. Refresh it. TD is what we have to choose. 10 pixel is been very high. Let me get 5 pixel, and now that's right. And if you want border, you can have it on TR border 2 pixel solid gray. Okay, there's a problem on TR. We'll skip that one. The primary focus is on working with JavaScript. We'll concentrate on that. Now we have a input which has which is a text, and we have a table. Right now we are going to concentrate on the JavaScript. When I press some keyword, when I press some word on the text box, you'll see the function will get executed. The function here is my function, so choose the my function, and what should happen? Choose the text box by its ID. The ID is my input. By document dot get element by ID, and the ID we know, which is I have copied, and save it into a variable called input. Now you have another variable which is called filter. The purpose of this is we are not having a case sensitive search. We don't need case sensitive search. That's the reason we are using the variable filter. We'll choose the input dot value, which will get the value of the input field, and will convert into uppercase. Now this all the portion is completed. Now let us get into the table. Choose a variable called table and get the value of table in a variable called table, which I have done. Now it's time to choose a tr by table. Inside table we have lots of tr, so we will choosing like this: get elements by tag name. Choose it inside what? Choose the tr inside table. Now run a for loop where I equal to 0, I is greater than tr dot length I plus plus. Now choose the td inside tr inside td. Since we have a lot of td, we'll run it inside a loop and store it inside a variable called td. We are almost done, and now we are going to get the value of td and get the value of td by using inner html dot to upper case and compare it with our input field. Compare it using the function called index of with the variable filter. Since it is a variable, we are not supposed to write inside the quotes. We'll write it inside if this is greater, if it returns -1, it means we don't find any match. If it returns -1, there is no exact match. If it does not return -1, it means we have some match. So in that case, what we need is, we want to, now the case is, if suppose it returns more than 1, that means display as it is by style dot display leave it as it is, else style and display it to none. Before that, we have to check using the if whether td is present or not, or else this whole thing would be useless. Run it. There's some mistake. Let me see what it is. You see, this is not where, this is tr. The problem was we have not specified whether it is 1 or 2, whether it is first column or whether it is second column. If you say first column, it is name. If you say second column, it is country. Let me show you. If I show 1, that means it is country. If I type something, refresh it, type Germany, so Germany has come. If you type 0, it means we are searching for the name. Let's type this. So you can see, this is how we create the searchable table using JavaScript. Thank you.